Hi there, Ashley. It's Marcy Hutton here. I'm recording the video that I was speaking to you about, and what I'm going to show you are 3 things that you guys can do today to help bring in even more customers to your business. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why would I do this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer to that is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you've heard, you can see that I do have a few tricks up my sleeve that may be able to help your business, then we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take these free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Either way, I would appreciate your feedback. Want to know that I'm offering up some useful information to business owners with these videos. So the 3 things I'm going to hit are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, with speaking to you today, Ashley, I see that you've got a few sites going on. Looks like you guys are looking to dominate, and I've got this one here that we'll take a quick look at, and that one too. And this is kind of new to me. I haven't put you in the tools yet, so we'll be seeing it all together here. So what I mean by content is this what I've got highlighted here, the words that you have on in their homepage and throughout your site, but importantly the homepage as far as what Google likes to see and being able to help them to match your business up when people are searching for something. See, when a site hits the net, they're going to go out there and they're going to crawl the entire thing, and what they're wanting to learn is, what does this new site offer to the internet? When it's in the case of a business, what services are you offering? Where are you offering those services? That way they can match. What's in it for them is that they want to keep people on their search engines. That's how they make money. So they like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. As far as it goes to the images, let's take a look here. So this image is saved as banner home, which doesn't really tell Google what you do or help them out in any way. So you want to name your pictures with keywords, words that, for example, Vancouver, window replacement Vancouver. It was the search term that I used today. You could name this picture that, and that's going to help the search engines, the bots, to figure out what you're doing and what you offer. So there's the content. The second thing is citations. Citations will help you to move up best case scenario into one of these 3 positions. We call it the map pack, and of course if there's somebody doing advertising, there he is, but if there isn't, then you're just going to have 3. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you're going to find your business name, address, and phone number. So when Google crawls, sees that you're cited in many directories, your reward for that is they're going to push you higher into these search results for this middle section for the maps. Statistics show that the businesses that would appear up here in the top 3 for any given search term, they are receiving about 50% of the clicks. 80% of the clicks, all of the clicks doing business, will go to businesses that are showing on the first page, whether it be paid ads, this map section, or down here we call this the organic section. The organic section sites get here with a strong backlink profile, and that's where I'm going to go third, and where we'll look at all 3 sites that you have to see where you're sitting. So what a backlink is it is when a third-party site on the internet website links back to yours. That's what a backlink is. So how that benefits you, if you look at the internet like it's a big popularity contest, when another site votes for yours, aka links to yours, that in Google's eyes is seeing you as the popular one. You've got other sites on the internet that are paying attention to you, so they're going to push you up in the search results. So I've taken that. Now, which one do we have here? We got the Westco glass site, and this is a back page here. It's not the home page. This is what you've got addressed to your ad here. So specifically to the residential and commercial glass. Let's see what it's got when we put it for the entire domain and see if that changes our metrics. It's not really all that high. Yeah, see, now you've got the whole power of the whole site, not just that page. So you've got 41 referring domains, 41 other sites that are linking back to this website, giving you 176 backlinks. You're being found for a couple of hundred keywords. This is where the content is really important, and especially when it's keyword rich, authoritative, well written, unique content. You're getting about 100 visitors per month to that site. And let's take a look here. Grab this one. The Urban Glass site, it has 38 referring domains, just about 600 backlinks, being found for about 161 keywords, and you're getting about 140 visitors average to that site a month. And this one here. Now I just noticed this copy. This site here isn't secure. Let's make sure the other two are. Yeah, this site here could use to be secured. Google is giving preference to sites that are secure as opposed to those that aren't. So you might want to get that looked at. And this one here has 13 referring domains, linking back to it, giving it 33 backlinks, being found for 21 keywords. However, nobody's really finding this one on their own. It's probably a few pages deep into the search. So yeah, the fact that you're kind of taking over all these sites, none of them are really overly powerful. Let's see, I think I took this one here, which would be the top site for that search term in the organic section. Let's see if I've got him. Here he is. So you can see he's got 114 referring domains, giving him just about 600 backlinks, being found for 900, just over 900 organic keywords. This is where the content is really important, and he's getting about 300 visitors to his site each month. So that's the benefit of having a strong backlink profile. And as I say that, not all links are created equal. You want to be getting links from reputable sites on the internet, sites that have been there a while, sites that Google trusts, sites that are relevant to what it is that you do are going to give you the most benefit. So I'm going to leave that there, Ashley. I'm going to email this off to you, and I will follow up to make sure that you receive it. And again, would be great to hear any feedback that you have. So I hope you're having a good day. Bye-bye.